Hello guys, welcome to Educate Andhra. Myself is Prabhakar. In this video, we are going to create a table in a Databricks by using the CSV file. So to do that, you have to log into Databricks and we are in the home page of Databricks. Click on the catalog. So here there will be a schema, a default schema. So just click on the default schema, and in the right side create a table. There is option called table, and you can drag the file here, a CSV file or Excel file, etc, etc. So I'm just selecting my CSV, which is order CSV, which contains order ID, customer ID, product ID, and so on. And it is a preview of the data. So click on the create table. A table will be created in the catalog, and we can use the table to write a PySpark code and so on. See, a table created, it is called orders. Okay, now in the home page, click on the workspace, and let's say expand this home page, and there is a folder called Educate Andhra. You can create the folder here, or else you can open the notebook which is already created. So I'll come back. I don't want to use this one. I'll create the new notebook. Click on the notebook. A new notebook has been created. Now just change to SQL. Okay, here we can write a simple select statement to get the data from this order table. Go to orders table, click on three dots, copy the table path and come here and paste it. Now click on this run. Now we are going to get orders data in the notebook. So that's how we can create a table, and we can get the data by using the SQL statement. See, now order table has been displayed, which contains order ID, customer ID, payment method status, and so on. Okay, so in the upcoming session, so we are going to use the PySpark to read this table and to perform the transformations and aggregation. Till then, keep watching.